Hello everyone, welcome to another day in Oretia. Yeah, people like my normal vlogs more than my travel vlogs. That's why I wanted to vlog my normal day. How's my normal day going in Oretia? Okay, I will take you guys along today. While I was taking a video, one of the ladies passing by and she thought that I'm trying to take a photo, and she asked me that, do you want me to take a photo? I mean, she said it in Romanian. She said a photo, and I said okay. I gave my phone to her and she took a photo of me, and she asked me that, is that okay? And I said yeah, da. I thanked her. I said mulțumesc, and she said cu plăcere. Yeah, how nice is she? Do you remember this? Guys, if you're afraid to eat alone, just do it. Okay, I was hungry. I didn't wait until to get home, and I wanted to eat outside, so I ate it alone. Guys, you cannot believe what happened. No, I choose the class. I am an Erasmus student here, and I choose some of the classes. One of them was scientific research, and I didn't know that it was in English or Romanian, you know. And I attend the English class because that's what should I do. That, you know, the professor told me that you should contact with the other professor because you were supposed to attend the Romanian one, not the English one. I was like, what the hell am I going to do now? And I sent an email to the other professor, but she didn't reply yet. That's why I'm going to talk to my coordinator this situation. I hope I can figure this out, because a couple of days later I will go back to Turkey. Yeah. Guys, finally I solved my problem. I talked to my coordinator and she told me that she will talk to the dean and then she will solve the problem, because it wasn't my fault. So there is no problem. I'm so happy that, because I was so anxious that I'm not going to solve this problem. But she already know it when I get into her room. So we solved the problem. Here is me, and wait, here is the sunset.
Wanna have a party, let it all hang out. Come on, let me show you what it's all about. Like, whoa, whoa. I like it better when we all get loud. I feel the goodness all around, like, whoa, whoa. I'm feeling good now.
Who told you that you cannot go to concert alone? I went to concert alone. Actually, I didn't know that there was a concert over there. I found it suddenly. I joined them, but I was hesitating to dance, and someone invited me to join their group, the girls group, and then I danced freely, and I'm so happy with that. And also, I made new friends, but I got tired a little bit. Yeah, now I'm going back to dorm happily. should stick together. But I'm going. Anyway, now I'm on my way to the city center because this is the last day of the event. I didn't know there was an event yesterday, but today will be. I know that today will be. So let's go and have fun. My roommate is leaving tomorrow actually. She packed everything and she is leaving tomorrow. Yeah. End of an era. Cutie pie. I got back from the festival, but to be honestly, it wasn't that great like yesterday. Yesterday was great, you know. I danced, I had so much fun, made new friends, but today was so loud and the musics were not top of my tea, so I didn't like that much. But the sunset and the sky was perfect. I took many photos. I got ready to go on a lunch with my coordinator. She invited me to go out for lunch. Yeah, I'm so excited. How do I look? Let's go.
Atenție și poate duce la scăderea numărului de clienți. Deși
I had lunch with my professor. It was so nice. And now I'm going to the workshop, Henna workshop with my friend. Yeah, I'm so excited. I don't know if it's good.
Those we check their stories.
unde știu că ești?
Last days in Oradea. I'm in the same place. The place where my story started. Guys, I am finally home. Today is my last day in Oradea and I got my certificate, attendance certificate. Yeah, and I have a couple of things to do. After that, I am going to meet up my friend before I leave. I mean, I'm going tomorrow, but I am going so early in the morning. I won't have time tomorrow, so I need to do everything today. It's going to be a really busy day. But at least I got my certificate. Now I'm going to city center to do some of the things. And then I will go to festival with my friend. And also I packed my stuff. Yeah. And also after I packed everything, I'm going to clean the room. After that, I will be on the way tomorrow morning. I have bus at 7:30. Yeah. Okay, every ending is a new beginning. Remember that. Okay, let's go.
Legalábbis én úgy értettem, hogy vasat, tehát ilyen szegek.
In the battlefield, I think it means the certain death. 4, 5, and then eyes are ready, and right onwards. But look at that. Run.
Everyone, I'm leaving my backpack, like always, and my laptop bag, and other suitcase, and other one. Everything is so empty right now. Yeah, do you remember how we came here? I guess this is going to be so much easier, you know, vlogging in this room. I remember the vlog that I made in this room, you know, the lighting is good, the vlog is going to be better, but I never vlog in this room. That's okay. I vlogged many things, my travels, you know, that's enough for me. Anyway, I need to catch the bus. Actually, I have still time. Still, I wanted to get things out because it's kind of heavy. And I'm going to be alone to carry this, so yeah. Okay, last time, and the view. Bye bye. Bye bye dorm. Bye bye radio. Bye bye to my Erasmus life. Now it's time to go back. Let's go. I got my boarding pass. Now I will go inside the security, and after that I will take the flight. Yeah, I don't know how to feel, you know, I don't feel anything. Maybe because I'm tired, I don't know, I'm not sure. Okay, Istanbul is waiting for us. Let's go. Getting into the plane right now, so we came to the end of this Romanian vlogs. I hope you guys enjoyed. For now, we are having a little break. We are not saying ending, okay? Guys, don't look at my face right now. I am a mess. Anyway, Istanbul airport is so huge, you know, seriously. I mean, I was expecting this, but no. But thank God I passed the passport control. Now I'm going to my transfer. Guys, this one is so good. Look at it. This is in Turkish, but okay. See? I will miss speaking Turkish freely. Now everyone can understand me. I'm really sad that. Yeah. You know, before I came here, I was afraid that I'm going to get lost in this airport because everyone was saying that, oh, it's so huge, going from one side to another, it's like taking 2 hours. So I was so afraid because 2 hours later I have another plane to Kayseri. So yeah, but thank God it didn't happen like that. I got the passport check and now I am in my transfer area, but I don't know which gate I should take. I will learn from here. Yeah. a problem to keep my mouth shut. Seriously. You know, when I was in Romania, no one doesn't understand me when I speak Turkish. But in here, when I speak Turkish behind them, they understand me. So I need to be careful. I mean, I shouldn't talk behind them. Yeah. I need to keep my mouth shut. At least I should learn.
Buyurun.
Do something, actually. So do it. Arrive to hostel. Why am I saying hostel? Okay. Struggles. Struggle.